Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord profile color feature missing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Discord. And once you open Discord, you simply need to click on user settings here. And then you need to click on profile. But here you can see that streamer mode enabled. If that mode is enabled, you simply need to turn that off from here and go onto your profile, and here you can see the option of banner color and click on that custom, and here you can change the color like I am doing. But if that feature is not available to you, so that you need to wait, because the Discord is rolling out this feature soon to all the users. So you simply need to wait, and you will have this feature in few days and hopefully in few months as well, because it depends on the Discord. So this is a process by which you can fix Discord profile color feature missing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.